Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna review the Assaulter drone. It's a Chinese made drone. I'm not sure if it's any good, but we're gonna try and unbox it today and see what we get from it. So let's open from this side and see what we get from the box. Oh my goodness, it's actually quite small, really small. Okay, let's put this one aside. So we have the controller. Looks like a controller for a game. Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, we've got a camera and yeah, this is the camera. Can you guys see? Okay, the camera is gonna fit in right here. Wait. Okay. We're gonna have a little hook right here. Okay. Then we've got extra blades. We've got batteries. Oh, we got a USB stick. I have no idea what this is for, but you can check it out later. Okay. We've got a mini screwdriver, some batteries, and yeah. Okay. So I guess we're gonna charge this up a little bit and we'll get back to you guys with the flight review. Honestly guys, I have to say this is one of the most useless drones I've ever seen. Well, it's actually pretty cheap, but still it's really useless. Like during the flight test, it couldn't even take off. It was just going to one direction. I mean, it's so stupid. I mean, the company is Assaulter, is a Chinese company that claim it can do stunts. It can go like orbit, drive bomb, 360 flip, but really it's useless. Like it's just a big ripoff. Like it really doesn't work. The camera quality is bad. I mean, everything about it is pretty useless. It doesn't, right now it's not even coming on anymore. I've got to say guys, definitely don't buy this brand. It's really useless. I mean, so stupid.